How to create Google form. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Google form and even share the link with your friends. So simply search on the Google bar Google Forms and just click enter. Click on the first link right here and you will be there in the Google Forms official website. Just simply log in with your account and just simply straight up to the blank form over here, and you will be redirected to this page where you just have to simply put the title form. For example, I am making a test right here. Then you can also give a form description. Let's say, uh, do it now. And then just simply go to the question section and you can create different questions. And now just give some options to it, just like that. Likewise, you can add multiple questions. Just keep on adding the pages over here from this sidebar, and you can also put in your question. You can also import questions, add title and description, add images or videos as per your liking. And once this is done, you simply click on publish in order to share your form. You can also copy the link for this particular form. Just simply click on copy and the link for this particular form has been copied. Now just go ahead and share the link with the people that you would want to share this Google form with. So that's how simple it is to create a Google form. I hope you find this video to be helpful.